Have you ever held a coin in your hand and wondered, how much could this possibly cost? It's small, it's light, it's everywhere. You find it in your pocket, at the bottom of bags, under couch cushions, and forgotten in jars. It feels insignificant, almost worthless. But what if I told you this single coin quietly drains millions of dollars from the US economy every single year? Not because it's rare, not because it's made of gold, not because collectors fight over it, but because producing it costs more than it's worth. Today on Gemstone Academy, we're uncovering the hidden economics behind one of the most controversial coins in American history. The coin we're talking about is the United States penny. It's are mined from the earth, using heavy machinery, fuel, and human labor. They're refined in massive industrial facilities that consume enormous amounts of energy. Then they're transported to mint facilities across the country, requiring fuel, logistics, and security. At the mint, metal sheets are punched into blanks, stamped with designs, polished, inspected. Packaged and shipped nationwide. Every step consumes electricity, fuel, human labor, machinery maintenance, security systems. And as inflation rises, every one of these costs rises with it. But the value of the penny never changes. It stays worth exactly 1 cent.
What coin are we talking about? The coin in question is the US penny. It has a face value of 1 cent, yet it costs far more than 1 cent to produce. According to official US Mint reports, producing a single penny costs over 2.5 to 3.5 cents, depending on metal prices, energy costs, and labor expenses. That means every penny made is created at a financial loss. Multiply that by billions of pennies minted every year, and suddenly, we're talking about tens of millions of dollars wasted annually. How a penny is made. To understand the problem, we must first understand the production process. The US penny has a face value of 1 cent, but costs the US Mint more than double to produce due to rising material, labor, energy, and overhead expenses. Key facts from official US Mint reports. Production costs. First half of 2024, 2.82 cents per penny, loss of 1.82 cents per coin. Calendar year 2023, average 2.72 cents per penny, loss of about 1.72 cents. Second half 2023, 2.61 cents per penny. Historical trend, costs exceeded 1 cent since 2006, peaked at 3.07 cents in first half 2022 amid high metal prices. Annual losses, about $135 to $250 million, based on 7 to 11 billion pennies minted yearly. Penny composition and specs. Since mid-1982, 97.5% zinc core, 2.5% copper plating. Pre-1982, 95% copper, 5% tin/zinc. Diameter, 0.750 inches. Thickness, 1.52 millimeters. Edge, plain. Production process overview. Metal prep. Zinc ingots melted at 850 degrees Fahrenheit, alloyed, cast, rolled into 20-ton coils. Blanking. 135-ton presses punch 1,200 blanks per minute from coils. Annealing. Blanks heated to 1,400 degrees Fahrenheit in mesh belts, quenched in water. Washing/drying. Acid bath removes oxides. Rinsed, dried. Electroplating. 100,000 blanks per barrel in copper sulfate bath for uniform copper layer. Rinsing, drying/anti-tarnish. Multiple rinses, baked at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Upsetting. Edges compressed under 20 tons for raised rim. Coining. 110 to 130-ton presses strike 500 coins/min. Inspection. Optical/laser sensors detect defects. 1 to 2% rejected. Counting/bagging. Automated into 5,000 coin bags. Visual/media elements. Cost charts. Animated loss multipliers. Penny stacks growing. Metal price graphs. Process illustrations. Coils unrolling. Punches. Fiery annealing furnaces. bubbling plating vats, massive coining presses, inspecting conveyors, mint facilities. Fun fact, pennies unchanged in size since 1793, debate to eliminate since 2010s.